Welcome to From Application to Approval, the future of government workflows. I'm excited to show you how government agencies are transforming critical services through secure, intelligent content management and responsible AI. My colleagues in public service tell me that there are increasing pressures to optimize costs and resources and still deliver responsive services. Today, AI presents a unique opportunity to augment workforce decision-making and bring operational efficacy with the right safeguards in place. The challenge isn't just technology. It's about fundamentally rethinking how government works. Traditional workflows create friction in every step. Residents struggle to find the right forms. Staff spend hours on manual review, approvals get bottlenecked, and case tracking is lagging or worse, outdated. Box Content Plus AI lets you transform resident services and operations. Let's follow one application process from start to finish. A building permit, as an example, that could just easily be a business license, tax appeal, or benefits application. You'll see how Box transforms both the resident experience and the government operations. For residents, finding the right form often means navigating confusing websites with outdated information. Oftentimes, forms are PDFs that don't work well on mobile devices. Supporting documents get uploaded to different systems or faxed or emailed in separately. Payment happens through disparate portals. Status updates come through sporadic phone calls or emails, if at all. For agency staff, applications arrive through multiple channels, walk-ins, mail, email, or online portals. Each submission requires manual data entry and file organization. Review means printing documents, making notes by hand, and walking files between departments. Approvals happen through email chains with no clear audit trail. Residents call daily asking, "Where's my application?" Applications take weeks longer than necessary. Staff spend 60 to 70% of their time on administrative tasks instead of analysis and decision-making. Residents get frustrated and sometimes abandon applications entirely. Elected officials hear complaints about slow, outdated government services. A different reality is possible using native Box capabilities. You can create modern resident experiences. Residents access services through intuitive agency portals that work on any device, anywhere. Smart forms guide them through requirements and prevent common errors. Document upload is simple and secure. They receive immediate confirmation with tracking numbers and can check status anytime. You empower staff, where all applications or service requests flow into agentic workflows with clear guardrails for privacy and accuracy. AI assistants help staff quickly identify key information and potential issues. Agentic workflow routes cases to the right reviewers with complete context. Audit trails capture every decision and approval. You can streamline decision-making where department heads see exactly what needs their attention, with AI-generated summaries and recommendations. Electronic signatures close cases instantly. Residents receive immediate notification when applications are approved. This isn't just digitization, it's transforming government operations around citizen needs while empowering the workforce. Today, we'll show you exactly how that works, using a realistic building permit scenario. Residents start in a modern mobile portal. Smart forms guide them, prevent errors, and auto-generate compliant documents. On the agency side, AI-assisted tools speed reviews while keeping humans in charge. Agentic workflows route work to the right people for timely approvals. Electronic signatures close the loop in minutes. This isn't about replacing people, it's about giving your team the superpowers to focus on judgment and service delivery. And everything you'll see runs natively on Box's secure, governed, intelligent content platform with compliance, audit trails, and retention built in.
Thanks, Murtaza. Let's start our journey from the resident's perspective. Meet Sarah, a neighborhood restaurant owner adding a 400 square foot covered patio before summer, a $15,000 project. It's her first permit, and she's doing this on her phone between shifts, so she needs clarity and speed. On our side, intake staff wants complete error-free submissions. Leadership and oversight need consistent timelines and transparency. Inspectors benefit from early scope and site details. With that context, let's step into Sarah's shoes and apply. Sarah owns a local restaurant and wants to add a covered patio. To apply for a building permit, she starts right here in the Municipal Services Portal Hub. One modern entry point, everything she needs is clearly organized: building and construction, licenses, and business services. Hubs makes it easy for citizens to find accurate, up-to-date information in one place, eliminating confusion, broken links, and outdated PDFs. She navigates to building and construction, where she finds the requirements, checklist, fee schedule, review timeline, and contact information, everything she needs before starting her application. Before starting, she checks the document checklist to make sure she has everything ready for submission. Confirming she has everything she needs, Sarah can begin the application process. When she clicks Apply Now, a box form pops up. Sarah enters her project details: a 400 square foot covered patio with an estimated cost of $15,000, and uploads the required files: site plan, property survey, and contractor license. Confirming everything is filled out, Sarah can submit her application. Behind the scenes, Box document generation automatically builds the official permit application, eliminating manual retyping and reducing errors. Box also creates a new organized folder for the agency's review, keeping everything structured from the start. Sarah can feel confident her application has been submitted, no phone calls, no uncertainty. The result is simple: transparent experience for citizens and a clean, ready-to-view submission for the agency team. Now we jump to the agency side, where volume is our challenge, with so many applications and fixed headcount. John, the reviewer, needs organized queues and a fast, consistent pass. Leadership and oversight needs policy, consistency, and traceable decisions. Sarah, our applicant, just wants fewer resubmissions and clear requests. Inspectors need early visibility into required inspections so scheduling doesn't slip. With that context, let's open up the staff dashboard and pull up Sarah's case. John starts in Box Apps on a metadata-powered dashboard that organizes every permit by status and workload. He opens New Submission and filters by metadata. The form Sarah previously filled out is mapped directly to metadata, so every field she entered now appears as structured data in the agency's workspace. Her case is fully searchable and sortable the moment it arrives. That's structured data without extra work. John can easily filter for Sarah's case, review key fields, and update the status from new to in review. To analyze the contents, John jumps into the case folder. Box has already created a clean workspace with a generated application PDF plus all of Sarah's uploads. Now, John runs Box AI directly across the entire folder. Instead of opening each document one by one, he simply selects the ones he wants to analyze: the application, site plan, survey, photos, and contractor license, and asks Box AI a few key questions. He starts by asking, summarize the submission and list any missing requirements. In seconds, AI scans every document, returns a clear checklist, and cites exactly where each finding came from. No manual searching, no guesswork. Next, he follows up with which missing requirements are critical versus informational. Box AI analyzes the gaps, separates critical issues from informational ones, and outlines exactly what needs to be resubmitted, from structural calculations and load details to ADA and utility coordination plans. Each recommendation links directly back to the source page, giving reviewers a precise roadmap for what's missing and what the applicant needs to provide next. He can even ask for a suggested inspection sequence or have Box AI organize the information into a clear, easy-to-reference table. Everything stays traceable, consistent, and audit-ready. John never has to dig through files or retype data. Box AI turns a folder of documents into structured, explainable insights, giving reviewers speed, confidence, and control. John has confidence to move the case forward, and the agency gains a repeatable review process powered by metadata and Box AI. Now we're at the decision point. John applies conditions and generates the permit package. Sarah signs on her phone and gets a permit instantly. Inspectors receive schedules and field requirements. Leadership gets a full audit trail with retention applied. Compliance knows that all the records are preserved under governance to meet legal requirements. Let's close Sarah's case. John opens the building permit application where his review task is waiting. Because everything he needs lives in one workspace, the application, supporting documents, and checklist, he can finalize the decision without switching systems or losing context. With everything approved, John can send this document out for signature with box sign. He adds Sarah as the primary signer and her licensed contractor as the countersigner, sets the proper signing order, and includes a personalized message with automated reminders. On mobile, Sarah opens a secure link, reviews the permit, and signs in seconds. The contractor receives the next notification and countersigns. No printing, scanning, or mailing required. Once signing is complete, the fully executed permit and signing log are instantly saved back to the case folder. John now has a complete signature audit trail, providing full visibility and ensuring every approval step is verifiable. With the permit finalized, John securely shares the folder with the assigned inspector. The inspector receives a box notification and opens the field packet. Inside are the signed permit, the site plan, and conditions of approval. They click into the permit documents to review the details. Watermarking and download controls automatically apply, and the agency's retention policy ensures the record remains compliant and preserved. The process from review to approval to inspection stays connected end to end. Everyone works from the same verified information, every action is logged, and the record is secure the moment it's complete. That's how agencies move from decision to fieldwork effectively, transparently, and with confidence.
Thanks, Shelby. Before we scale, we anchor everything in trust and compliance. Residents need transparency and assurance that their data is protected. Leadership needs accountability and visibility. Records and legal departments need FOIA-ready archives. Security and IT team enforces least privilege access, and program staff need simple, seamless workflows. Let's show how Box meets government security, compliance, and governance out of the box. Any solution we deploy has to meet public records laws, complete audit trails support FOIA and open records responses. ADA compliance is made possible in a mobile-friendly interface that meets those requirements. For data retention, automated policies ensure compliance with state and local schedules. Content and cybersecurity standards such as FedRAMP, GovRAMP, HIPAA, CGIS, PII, and many more are built into the platform. Privacy and protection ensured, controlled access prevents unauthorized disclosure. Box extends its compliance and governance differentiation to AI as well. We have responsible AI guardrails. All AI responses include source references. Staff validate and approve of all AI recommendations. Our AI models never learn from your sensitive information. Complete transparency in how AI reaches conclusions. Other factors to consider include our scalable licensing. You pay for what you use, expand as you grow. You have minimal IT overhead with our cloud-based solution, reducing infrastructure requirements. Box works with existing systems and workflows, requiring minimal training and support with comprehensive onboarding for your staff and adoption by users. Every feature we've demonstrated operates within appropriate security and compliance frameworks for your agency. You can adopt these capabilities confidently, knowing that oversight, accountability, and the public's trust are preserved throughout the process. Now, back over to Shelby to walk us through a case disposition and compliance demo.
From the external case folder, I'll click Share. Here I can easily invite external collaborators while maintaining complete control over what they can do. With 7 granular permission levels, I can choose the exact access type needed, ensuring that reviewers and partners only see what's appropriate. I'll also update the link settings to people within our organization and set it to view only, preventing the creation of publicly facing links. Even when content is shared beyond the agency, these controls ensure we maintain ownership and security. Next, I'll apply a classification label and access policy to the folder. That label automatically enforces handling rules, things like applying watermarking, restricting downloads, also restricting application usage. This is ensuring that every file is governed by policy the moment that it's created. The activity log provides a full timeline of user actions, things like who viewed, downloaded, or shared, each one timestamped for accountability. If needed, I can export these logs directly for FOIA requests or audit responses. And within the admin console, I have even deeper reporting, including visibility into AI activity and citation history. For governance, I'll apply a retention policy for permit records, 7 years with an automated review step before disposition. If a case requires preservation, I can apply a legal hold to a folder which locks the content immutably without creating duplicate files. Across the organization, MFA and session policies add another layer of protection, ensuring access is authenticated and controlled at every level. Together, these controls create a secure, compliant, and fully auditable record system, enabling agencies to collaborate confidently, protect sensitive data, and meet every retention and transparency requirement without adding manual work.
Here's the strategy for success: one platform, 3 groups that win. For residents, service gets faster because applications are guided and digital end to end. The experience is modern and mobile. Transparency improves with real time status and clear next steps. And access expands. Services are available 24/7 from any device, anywhere. For the workforce, time savings come from organized queues, smart forms, and Box AI doing the heavy lift, summaries, checks, and citations, while staff keeps judgment and control. Workflows are consistent and auditable, which removes roadblocks and lets reviewers focus on decisions, not document chasing. For leadership, we get measurable improvements: cycle time, first pass completeness, and backlog reduction. Oversight is stronger with complete audit trails and governance. Resource efficiency increases as teams handle more with the same staff, and the result is greater public trust through transparency and compliance. That's the outcome we'll drive with a focused pilot, faster service, empowered staff, and credible oversight on a secure, compliant Box foundation. Thank you for joining us today. We hope this walkthrough helped illustrate how government workflows like permit processing, benefits applications, or business licensing can be streamlined through secure content management and responsible AI. Modernizing these processes isn't just about saving time. It's about improving the resident experience, empowering your teams, and delivering services with great speed, transparency, and trust. If you're exploring ways to reduce manual work, eliminate bottlenecks, or enhance digital services in your agency, we'd be happy to continue the conversation. Thanks again for the important work you do and for taking the time to be with us today.